Porsche Performance Manthey road holding kit, available at all Porsche Centers worldwide. Suspension by K&W, and you get at any Porsche Center in the world, and it also came out for the 911 GT3 RS. So it's this is the one if you want to track your car, and it's actually K&W suspension, developed by Manthey and sold by Porsche Performance. Super hardcore. And you should see this for the GT3 RS. That's crazy. Extremely crazy. So we have Porsche Performance package for GT3. It's Manthey suspension by K&W, and by Manthey reduce air turbulence is the rear carbon part. Porsche Performance package by Manthey. You can get it at any Porsche dealer. And of course steel brakes, super light Manthey wheels, of course.